guest from Japan. Welcome, Lala-chan! Hi, team! Lala-chan is here! Hi! Okay, hi, team! Okay, let's follow Lala-chan. Follow 99 Lala-chan ka. Okay. Doon ako dito tayo sa likuran ni Lala-chan. Ayan. Okay. Lala-chan is a family of Team Hero from Japan. Okay, doon po rin pinili Lala-chan ko. Pila kayo sa likuran. Okay, let's go. Hi, kids. Okay, Lala-chan. Invite natin ang kids yun sa partner. Hi, kids. Okay, Lala-chan is inviting niyo po sa ating event ngayon. Hi, kuya. Okay, so maray po behind Lala-chan and we invite you to the event area. Let's go! Okay, Lala-chan, invite naman natin ang kids dito sa Sunday area. Hi, ate! Hi! Okay, formal light behind Lala-chan and we're going to the event area. Hi, ate! Okay, Lala-chan, dito naman tayo sa Nalik View area. Hi! Okay, Lala-chan po is inviting you to our event area and we will be having this afternoon. Hi! Okay, let's go! Alright! Okay, kids, once you're here, raise your hands. Raise your hands, kids. Ayan, very good. Okay, dito muna kayong lahat sa harapan. Okay, okay, dito tayo lahat sa harapan. And raise your hands, okay? Okay. Raise your hands muna, kids. Okay, when I say hi, please say hello to me. Hi! Alright, one more. Hi! Very good naman talaga sila Lala-chan. Okay. Okay. Let me invite them, the kids once more. Okay. Hello kids, we are inviting you po. Lala-chan is inviting you po dito sa ating event area. Alright. Okay. How are you, Lala-chan? Okay, Lala-chan is so excited ngayon. But first, meron muna tayong gagawin. If you are ready to listen, raise your hands. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, Lala-chan, they are ready na. Okay. Okay, parents and guardians po, friendly reminder, dito muna tayo lahat. Dito po muna tayo lahat, ma'am. Sa labas po muna tayo. Later na lang po tayo picture tayo with Lala-chan. Thank you so much po. Ayan. Sasama po ng ating mga toddlers. Okay, once again, parents and guardians po, dito na lang po muna tayo sa labas, ma'am. Okay, thank you so much. Ayan, Lala-chan. Okay, our side word daw po kayo. Our side word. Okay. Ayan. Okay, raise your hands na, raise your hands. Okay, very good. Natigilig sila sa ating Lala-chan. Ayan. Okay. Without further ado, let me introduce our event team. Okay. Ayan, okay na ba Ate Eva? Ate Eva? Okay. Ayan. Okay. Hi! My name is Kuya Edgy, your host for today. Kasama natin si Ate. And si Ate Laika nasa likuran natin. Of course, meron tayong special guest for today. Kapag sinabi ko yung pangalan niya, lang tayo magka-clap. Okay? Sige. 1, 2, 3, go! Let's all let go! Lala-chan! Hi! Alright, excited na ang ating mga kids, Lala-chan. Okay. Uy, meron sinasabi sa akin si Lala-chan. Okay, sabi po ni Lala-chan, sino na po ang hilig mag-dance? Okay, lahat sila mahilig. Lala-chan ka ba, baby girl? Dito muna ikaw, ha? Watch ko muna si Lala-chan. Okay, Lala-chan, mayroon tayong warm-up dance. So, anong first step natin? Okay, kids, gayahin natin si Lala-chan. Ano daw po yun? March tayo! March, march, march! March, march, march! Very good. Okay, next natin Lala-chan. Okay, put your hands on your head and shake, shake, shake. Then, put your hands on your shoulder. Shake, shake, shake. One more. Put your hands on your belly. Rub your belly while shaking your body. And next. Okay, rub your back din daw, sabi ni Lala-chan. And, okay, Lala-chan, sway your hands upright 2 times. Sway your hands down 2 times. And Next natin lahat dyan. Jump up 2 times. Jump down 2 times. Naiintindihan niyo ba, kids? Okay, narinig mo yung kalat dyan. Excited na sila. Kaya naman, Ate, like that music please. Okay, kids. March tayo. Everybody march, march, march. March. Okay, 1, 2. Everybody. Are you there? Are you ready? Are you there? Show your hands. Okay, jump.
Shake your hands, shake your feet.
Jump. Okay, march. Everybody.
Touch your bottom.
Are you ready? One.
Shake your hands,
Jump.
shake your feet.
Jump. Okay, the march. Hooray! Very good naman talaga Lala dyan. Okay, kids. Sit down na muna daw tayo. Sit down na muna. Okay. Okay, Lala dyan. Okay, kumusta ka Lala? Tumingal ka ba? Okay, please inhale, exhale muna tayo. Okay? Okay, inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Okay. Okay, kids, meron tayo. Anong tawag dito? Anong tawag? Anong tawag dito sa hawak ko? Row. Ano kulay ng row? Okay. And friends, meron ako dito. Anong tawag? Okay. Ang kulay ng flag natin ay? Ano kulay ng lalat siya? Okay, ano kulay ng to? Okay, very good. Alam na alam mo na ang kulay. Kaya ano tawag sa game natin? Ano tawag sa game? Wala akong naririnig. Ano tawag sa game natin? Tug of war. Very good naman. And okay. So in this game, tug of war, we have 2 teams. And all you have to do is to get 2 points in order for you to win. Kaya naman, meron tayo teammate, Ate Laika, Titi, Ate Eva. Okay? So this time, kids, watch muna kayo and listen carefully. Okay? Okay, once my flag is still raised, nakataas ko po, wala munang ihila. Pag nakababa nito, tagbilang ako ng 3, saka lang po kayo ihila. Okay? Alright. Sige, demo muna ng ating mga leaders. 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan. Okay, as you can see, meron tayong marker dito. So, kanina na punta yung marker, siya ay magkakaroon ng 1 point. Okay, everyone sa second row, si Ate Eva. Full row. Okay. Ito naman napunta ang marker natin. Sino may point ngayon? Si Ate Eva. Okay. Once both teams have 1 point each, magkakaroon tayo ng tiebreaker round. Okay. Sa tiebreaker round, malalaman natin kung sino yung winner. Okay? Alright. At ngayon, ay, humiram mo naman sa akin si Lala dyan. Meron tayo po tayong safety reminders. Okay, sino ready na mag-isip? Raise your hands. Shay. Okay. Lahat po sila gusto makinig Lalatsan, kaya naman Lalatsan dito ka sa harap. Alright. Okay, tingnan natin si Lalatsan. Safety reminder natin. No, ano ba ito? No? Okay, ano yan kids? No? No jumping. Okay, very good Lalatsan. Next natin Lalatsan. No, ano ba ito? No? Hindi ko naririnig. No pushing. Very good, Lalatsan. Next natin, Lalatsan. Okay, ano yung i-hold natin? Okay, very good. Hold the rope firmly and carefully. And last and the most important natin, Lalatsan. Enjoy yourself again. Okay, good job, Lalatsan. Okay, kids. Stand up na tayo and we will evaluate to push games. Okay. PBA, Erga, from biggest to smallest. Kay Ate Eva, PB, smallest to biggest naman. Ayan. Okay, go find your teammates na kids. Go find your teammates. Okay, dito natin. Ayan, dito ka. Okay. Ayan, okay. Dapat magkakonta ko ng 10. Okay na kayo. 10, 9, 8. Okay, let's count the chance. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay natin, like ko meron pa. Kaya pa meron ako tayo dito. Ayan, talo mo sila ate dito. Okay. Yan, lalat sila. Okay na sila. Okay, lagi pa natin ang team ay lalat. Ha? Hi, team A! Okay, once again, hi! Okay, lalat dyan. Okay. So, team A, habang naglalakad tayo papuntang aircraft, meron tayong sisigaw. Ano yan, ate Laika? Okay. Gano'n! Very good! Okay, dito naman tayo lalat dyan. Hi, TV! Hi! Okay, lalat dyan. Excited na ng TV. Kung may sinisigaw ang TV, may sisigaw din ang TV. Ano yan ang ating ate Eva? Ano? Ano? Okay, lalat dyan. Excited na sila. Okay, once again, kids, don't forget the safety reminders. Okay? Doon tayo ng numero sa aircraft. Mawala kami nilalat siya. Susunod ang TV and TV. Okay? Let's go! TV and TV! Go, cheers! Cheers! Go! Go! TV! Go! TV! Go! Okay! Go! Go! TV! Okay! Let's go! Cheers! Go, TV! Ayan, raise your hands na. Raise your hands muna. Raise your hands muna. Okay, bitaw mo na sa row. Bitaw mo na sa row. Bitaw mo na sa row. Okay, pakitaas na ng kamay, kids. Hindi pa tayo mag-start kung hindi ko kayo nakikinig. Okay, bitaw mo na sa row. Bitaw mo na, bitaw mo na. Okay, very good. Okay, kids, raise your hands. Okay. Alright. Okay, Team A, are you ready? Team B, are you ready? How about the Dodgers, are you ready? Okay, lapit-lapit na po tayo mga guardian. Dito po tayo sa harap. Dali. Ayan, very good. Kalapit po kayo konti. And cheer your kids. Okay, kids? Eyes on my flag. Raise your hands muna, raise your hands. Okay. Now, hold the rope. Hold the rope na muna. Hold on muna. Hold. Okay. Lalat yan. Are you ready? Yan, kaya ready na si Lalat. So, kaya naman. 3, 2, 1. Hold on the rope. Yan, Lalat yan. Let's go. 15, 13, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, kids, raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yay! Okay, kids, back to your lines na, back to your lines. Back to your lines na po. Pila na ulit kayo. Okay, Team B, Team B, hi Team B. It's okay, we still have second round. Okay, pabawi tayo. Okay, back to your lines, kids. Okay. Okay, back to your lines muna, back to your lines. Okay, raise your hands, kids. Meron mo muna ako ng rope. Meron ko muna ng rope. Meron ko muna ng rope. Taas mo na ng kamay, Team B. Taas mo na ng kamay, Team B. Okay. Okay, raise your hands, back to your hands. Okay, kung di po kayo nakikinig, dito mag-i-start. Alright. Okay, very good, Team A. Okay, Team B, are you ready? Team A, magpapatalo na kayo. Let's go, Lala Chan and Chewy. Hold the roll. Hold on muna. 3, 2, 1, go, close the roll. 15, 14, 13, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody raise your hand. It's okay, baby girl. It's okay. Ayan. 21 seconds. Raise your hand. Ayan. Okay, raise your hands, kids muna. Ayan, yung listen ko muna. Wala tayong, it's a game. It's a game, it's just a game. Ayan. Okay, Lala Chan, sino ang nanalo sa second round natin? Congratulations, Sylvie! Yay! Okay, back to your lines na po, please. Back to your lines na. Ayan. Okay, like I said before, pag meron na kayo parehas 1 point, meron tayong tiebreaker round. Kaya naman, teammate, are you ready? Ganado po sila, Lala Chan. Team B! Okay, Lala Chan, are you ready? Guardians! Ayan, ready na sila. Okay, hold on up, kids. Hold on muna. Okay, hold on muna. Okay, look at the flag. Okay, hold on muna. Go, 3, 2, 1, hold the roll. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, kids, pasa ka na. Ayan, Lala Chan. Okay, Lala Chan. Okay, sino ang nanalo sa third round natin, Lala Chan? Congratulations, Team A! Okay. Okay, Lala Chan, pumili dito natin ng Team B. Okay, hi, Team B! Okay, saan na bibigyan? Stand up. Hi! Okay, Lala Chan, come here. Okay. So, Team B, okay, since nanalo ang Team A, bibigyan natin sila ng 5 clubs and a very good, okay? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 3, 4, 5, very good! Okay, congratulations again, Idol Gayo. Okay, Idol Gayo. Alright. Okay, Team A! Okay, congratulations. But now, bigyan naman natin ng 3 clubs activity. Okay? 3 clubs and a good job. Okay? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! 1. Good job! Okay, back to your lines. Babalik na tayo sa ating event area. Kilala ko muna kayo. Una kami ilan. And to share ko kayo, ha? Okay? No jumping, please. No jumping. Ayan. Okay. Yes. Lala siya. Okay, nag-energy na po si Lala siya. Nag-energy po si Lala siya. Ayan. Okay, yes. Nag-energy po sa ating area. Wala mo po. Okay. Hi. Alright. Okay, yes. Asa ka lang? Stand down. Hey. Good job. Come on. Okay, alis na po natin sila na maayos. Okay, how are you, Lala Chan? Nag-enjoy ka ba sa game sila? Okay, nag-enjoy na po si Lala Chan. How about the kids? Nag-enjoy po kayo? Alright. Okay, ano yung Lala Chan? Okay, Lala Chan, si Lala Chan na po ay nag-enjoy. Ay, meron po siyang special request. Ano kaya yun? Okay, nasa mga daw po natin siya. Mag-dance na kayo ng favorite dance. Yun ay, love is a treasure. Kaya naman. Okay, Lala Chan, are you ready? Okay, ready na ba po si Lala Chan? Kaya naman. Okay, Ate Laika. Yes, please. Okay, gusto ko mga tayo. Gagayahin natin si Lala Chan. Ayan, very good. Okay, raise your hands. Let's go! kids.
In the sky, the sun is so bright.
Nice.
Lofty and tall, like clouds in the sky.
On your shoulder.
The big tree,
Up your head.
together.
Straight your hand. Take off.
Breeze with your hands in the sky.
Kids.
Be brave, you can do anything.
Hey.
La 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 la, be happy and smile.
Hey, jump. Wave your hands. Okay, sir.
And if you ever feel so frightened, my friend, I'm always here to cheer
Wave
you
your
up.
body.
Kindness is
And close your arms.
heart.
Let's
So
turn
raise your
around.
voices and
Okay, let's go, let's go.
hello, my friends, let's do la la. Sing, sing, sing. Come on and sing with me. Dance, dance, dance. Now, baby, smile, let's do la la. Sing, sing, sing.
Let's go, let's go. Everybody, let's sing. Hooray! Very good naman lalat siya. Okay, kids. Sit down tayo. Let's sit down. Ayan. Lamit kayo ng konti. Dito kayo lalat siya. Okay. Okay, kids. Meron tayo dito ano to. Anong kulay ng box? Okay. Anong kulay nilalat siya? Okay. So it's time for your gift from Lalat Chan. Okay? So kailangan yung gawin kids is makinig lang muna. Ano? Walang tatayo, tataas lang ng kamay. Ihintay natin yung gift na dumating sa inyo. Okay? Naintindihan po ba? Ay, hindi ko pa naririnig na intindihan ko. Okay, narinig nila. Dapat gagawin natin. Okay? Okay, Lalat Chan, may papagawa ka ba sa kanila, Lalat Chan? Meron daw, cover your eyes daw po sabi ni Lalat Chan. Okay, cover your eyes. Ayan. And, isasawat po natin ang magic word na open! Okay, dapat malakas. Ano? Sige, let's try. Cover your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, pwede na ba yung Lalat Chan? Okay, mas malakas pa daw po sabi ni Lalat Chan. Okay, cover your eyes again. Dapat this time mas malakas. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Surprise! Okay, sit down lang muna kayo. Okay, sit down lang muna, taas ang kamay. Ayan. Okay, Lalat Chan. Okay, let's give them your gift. Ayan. Okay, once you receive your gifts, sit down lang po kayo and we will be having a group picture with Lalat Chan. Ano? Okay. Okay, meron na po ba lahat? Sino po wala? Taas ang kamay. Okay. Ayan. Okay, this time, parents and guardians po, we will be having a group picture with Lalat Chan. Kaya po, please proceed po sa harapan na lang po. Dito na lang po tayo. Thank you so much. Okay, kids, where's your balloon? Ayan, once again, parents and guardians, ito na lang po tayo sa harapan ng event area. Para po mas maayos ang picture nyo with the kids. Ayan. So, kids, ngayon magsashare tayo ng Kitsuna Hooray. Okay, sino ready makinig? Ayan. So ngayon, pag sinabi kong Kitsuna, sasabi natin is, Hooray! And wave your balloons. Okay? Sige. Ayan, okay. Okay, kids, are you ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Kitsuna. Hooray! Okay, one more. Mas malakas. Kitsuna. Alright. Ang kagaling naman ng mga kids. Okay, sit down lang po muna kayo. Kami, Lalat Chan. Ayan. Si Lalat Chan, excited na nagugulong masinunod sa atin. Dito ka, dito ka. Okay. Sorry, Lalat Chan. Ano yung Lalat Chan? Okay. Sino na po ang gusto pag-birthday party dito sa Kitsuna? Tasa naway! Okay, Lalat Chan. Okay, now, Lalat Chan, let's invite the parents and guardians. Good afternoon to parents and guardians. Kitsuna is now offering a birthday party packages po. And if you have questions, inquiries, and if you are interested po, available po ang counter area natin and they'll be happy to assist you po. And of course, available na rin po ang gift certificates namin worth 200 pesos po as a gift for your loved ones. Thank you so much po. Ayan. Okay, nalilangan siya. Okay, sabi ni Lala Chan is, nag-enjoy na po siya ngayon. Sino nag-enjoy? Ayan, Lala Chan nag-enjoy sila. But now, Lala Chan is feeling sad. Bakit kaya? Kasi babalik na daw po siya ng Japan kasi meron siyang friend na nag-birthday party doon. Kaya naman kids, kapag nagbilang ako ng tatlo, lahat tayo magsisingin ng goodbye natin kay Lala Chan. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Alright. Okay, that Lala Chan is always here at 3:15 p.m. every day, even weekends and holidays. Kaya naman, lagi nyo siyang makikita dito and para sa inyo, pupunta siya dito. Kaya naman, thank you kids for playing with us today. I hope you really enjoy your stay here at Kitsuna. You're gonna enjoy the rest of your time here at Kitsuna. Bye-bye! Okay, sino man po ang gusto mag-solo picture, dito na lang po tayo sa event area. Well, solo picture with Lala Chan. Thank you so much po.